Whoa!
Hello everybody!
How
Welcome
we doing
back
tonight?
to Vibe episode something.
Yeah, I think it's number 3 today.
No, we're no numbers on episodes.
Oh, no numbers on episodes. You know how it is. Is that another classic episode of the Vibe podcast?
Yes, today we have a very special guest. Let me introduce you guys to...
Ulla!
Yay! Hello everybody!
Wow.
I'm here.
Welcome to the podcast, Ulla.
Oh, thank you guys.
How are you
are
doing?
you today?
Oh, I'm feeling fine today, yes.
Yes!
How are you guys?
Very good.
Yes.
I think we're pretty good now. We're on a roll, like doing podcast today. Today is like the podcast day.
Podcast day.
Yeah.
Yes, let's just start this podcast episode with a very simple question. Ulla, why did you hate us?
Yeah, what's the deal?
Yeah.
Oh yes, I hate you because you're obnoxious.
No.
Oh.
Remember, you told us that before you met us, you hated us.
Yes. Because you were obnoxious. Yes.
That's valid. That's
I always saw you guys on TikTok.
That's
Yes.
valid.
And you guys are obnoxious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's no lie.
It's no lie.
And that's
honestly.
okay.
Yeah.
But I have learned to enjoy it.
Yes, yeah.
Learned to
But
enjoy it.
I
It was hard at
It's
first.
hard.
It was very hard. Yes, I was miserable every day.
Yes, makes sense. Makes
but
sense.
you kind of just forced me to enjoy
Yeah.
hanging out with you, and that was okay. But I did really like your cover of "If They Want Beef."
Yes, that was
Ayo.
that was a good one.
It's saved in my favorite somewhere. Like
Yeah, I think
4
it's deleted
years
it. Hold on,
I
it
think
deleted
we-
it.
I think we
He was so
deleted
and hold on, it deleted it. He
and
was so
that's why I
embarrassed.
hate you
Yeah.
guys.
That's why you hate us.
Haldan was so embarrassed.
Yeah.
Best video.
You
was-
I know. I told him.
Yeah, we'll
I
take
told
it out.
him.
It's probably in private somewhere. We'll
Okay.
figure it out.
Just put it back
Yeah.
up,
Yes.
Yeah.
or
No,
do repost,
Yeah,
or do just redo.
redo. We could
Yeah.
also do it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but okay.
That's a good answer.
Ulla,
but
this episode is about you. So tell us a little bit about yourself. How did you get involved in the Vibe universe?
So I actually auditioned.
Think about it.
yes.
Not to be in the Vibe universe, but just to be in the in the Eurovision
Yeah.
Icelandic.
Yeah,
And
in his national selection.
yes, the
Yeah. Pre-Eurovision.
pre-Eurovision,
Iceland.
the Icelandic pre-Eurovision.
Yes.
I auditioned, and there were like many dancers auditioning. So I was like,
Yeah.
okay, am I gonna get it?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But
Yeah.
I was actually the first person, I think, to hear back from them that I got in.
Damn.
Just the first person of everyone.
That means you must be best dancer.
I guess so.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean, that's what I got from it, yes.
Yeah.
And Baldwin called me and he was like, hi, I would just like to congratulate you. You're going to be in Eurovision.
Almost.
Or the
Pre-thing.
you're going to do the söngvakeppni. And I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. Who is dancing with us? He's like, so I'm dancing and do you know Ola? She's also dancing. I was like, yes, I know Ola.
Yeah.
And then I started thinking, Ola is like a hip-hop dancer.
Mhm.
I'm not a hip-hop dancer, but
No.
I'm like a groovy dancer. And then Baldwin is also
You're
groovy.
just a goofy girl.
Yeah, and I was like, what could this be? And I started thinking, and then we went to one practice, and they didn't show us the song right away, and they hadn't told us who we were dancing with. And I was like, wait, so who is it? Is it an artist? He was like, so it's like 2 people. And he said people, he didn't say guys. So I was like, people? It's like, yes, and they're like
They're like brothers. They were silly classes.
no, he was like, and you do know these people. And I was like, what do you mean I know these people? And then it clicked, and I was like, I'm dancing with Vibe, aren't I? I'm dancing with Vibe.
You're like,
Yeah,
no!
because you were also in the söngvakeppni last year.
Yes.
With the year before.
Yes.
And then we kind of met,
yes,
but we
I
didn't
never
meet,
spoke
you know.
to you, I think.
No, I think we never had a conversation.
But I have a video of you guys in the...
The trailer.
Trailer.
No.
No.
Oh,
the
you
trailer.
came into our trailer.
Oh,
With
yes, I
Sigga.
remember that. But I recorded you guys when we were, like, everyone got together and, like, listened to the songs.
Oh, yes.
When they were streaming it on
Yeah, the
the
party.
national...
Yeah.
Yes, and you were like, nah, 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 and I filmed you guys.
Hell
so
yeah.
I have a video
Because we
of
were
you.
so silly.
I mean, yeah, I liked your energy then.
Hey, I
Hey,
appreciate
I
let's go.
had stopped hated you then.
I appreciate
Hey.
it. I
Yeah.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you, thank
Yeah.
you.
That means a lot.
But then, yes, then we started rehearsing for Eurovision.
Yeah.
And how did you like the rehearsal process?
It was very fun.
Yeah.
Yes, I clicked. I don't know. I kind of just because I was kind of stressed. I was like, oh, am I gonna be okay dancing with these vibe guys? I don't know. They're kind of like, am I just gonna be tired after every practice? But no, you guys are not like tiring. You're more like you have so much energy that you bring everyone's
There you go.
else energy. So
There you go.
yeah, so it just like kind of worked, and I was doing so much at this time that, and then when I always came to Eurovision practice, it was like a break from everything else
Oh.
Yeah.
because it was just so fun.
Yeah, it was so good times.
Yes.
Good times. You actually coined the phrase vibe gang. Ulla,
Yeah, I think Ulla
she's the first person
created
to call it vibe gang. I remember it was some TikTok video
gang.
that Ole did, and Ulla said something like
What's up, Vibe Gang?
or something like that.
That
in
was
the early,
me.
yeah, in the early,
That was me.
That was me.
Já, Vibe Gang, hashtag Vibe Gang.
in like January, in like early TikTok
Like
days.
before we
Before we
were
won.
going to
Yeah,
Eurovision.
yeah.
Oh.
In just some random rehearsal, you said vibe gang.
What's
or
up,
something.
Vibe Gang?
Yeah,
Or
something like that. I don't
yes.
remember.
It sounds like me.
Yeah, you can probably find it if you scroll hard enough on TikTok.
Yeah.
Roll the clip? No.
But
No.
yeah, but you were telling us earlier that you had a very good story you wanted to tell us.
we go from this. We can't even finish the whole thing. We just
No,
go straight
yeah.
into.
The funny story.
Yeah.
So this is okay. I have a. Do you want me to tell the story?
If you want to tell a story. Ulla was telling us earlier that she had a funny story, but maybe she would tell it,
She
maybe
wasn't
not.
sure. Is she gonna
gonna
tell
reveal it?
people?
Okay, I'm not going to clarify when this was, but okay, I won't clarify. What I will say before is I have been going to the gym for like 5 years, so it's somewhere.
It's like a 5 year span.
It's a 5 year
Somewhere
span.
in 5 years.
So
Somewhere in the
from
last 5 years.
13 to 18 years old. So
Okay.
you can just
13 to 18.
guess.
Yeah.
So
Take a guess in the comments.
one time I went to the gym, and I mean I regularly go to the gym. Not right now because I'm very busy, but I one time went to the gym and it was like late at night, and there were not. It was like a Sunday or something,
Yeah.
so there were not many people there.
Yeah, at
But
night.
but yes,
Yeah, okay.
it was like at like 10 o'clock literally.
Very late, very late.
Yes, very late. And this is also the like most popular gym here in Iceland.
Okay.
It's world class Laugar,
Yeah.
which is
very
just like
popular.
yeah, it's always crowded.
Mhm.
But this time it was not that crowded, and it's like big. So even if there were like 20 people there, you weren't sure to meet anyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I had been having a back pain the whole day.
Oh, that's not good.
No, that's not good.
good.
And I
Yeah,
was like,
good.
oh my god, I'm going to go to the gym. Am I going to die? What am I going to do? But I needed to go to the gym because I'm a gym gal, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
Valid.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
valid.
So I had the back pain, and I went on the, what's it called? The running,
The running thing.
yeah, the running
Yeah,
thing. I don't
yeah,
know.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
something
Treadmill.
called. Yeah, treadmill.
Yeah, treadmill. Yeah, treadmill.
Yes, I went on the treadmill and meal.
A mail.
I wanted a treadmill,
Is it
and
treadmill?
Treadmill.
I think it's treadmill.
Treadmill.
It's
I
treadmill.
went on the treadmill.
Yeah.
So I
and
went on the treadmill, guys.
so I went to the gym the other day, and I went on the treadmill. No, yes, I went on the treadmill and I started running, and I was like, okay, this does not hurt my back, so maybe I'll just do a lot of this, and
Yeah.
then I can just chill and do something else, just like just like chilling.
Makes
okay,
sense.
Yeah.
so I started running, and halfway while and I always run how. What am I saying? I
Yeah.
always run like I don't look at the time. I just run until I'm too tired to run
Yeah.
more.
Makes sense.
So I started running, and like halfway through, I feel that I need to pee. Okay, I needed to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, flip, what am I gonna do?
You could either stop and go or just keep on going.
Yeah, because I was like, am I gonna stop now? Am I not just gonna get too tired then?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
won't get back on the treadmill?
Smart thinking.
So I was like, okay, this is just motivation, okay?
Yes, very good motivation.
Yes, I'll just run until I can't do anymore, and then I can have my break time and go to the bathroom, and then I can just chill on my phone. So this is just good motivation.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I get a break.
Obviously.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yes. So, but I go running, and I run for like 30 minutes. And after about 30 minutes, I'm like, okay, I can't do anymore. So I like grab the handles on the side,
Yeah.
and I jump to the side.
Yeah.
And as soon as I jump to the side and stop running and stop just running, just
Yeah.
like working out my body, like my whole system just drops and I can't hold it in anymore, and I just let go.
Damn.
And I was like, okay, I can stop this. It's okay. I can stop this. But when I try to stop it, I just feel my body tense up and my back pain and how tired I was after running. So I just keep on. And I'm not going to say what I was doing, but you can guess what happened there.
So
Take a guess in comments.
Yes, take guess what happened.
What happened?
And I run to the bathroom. And I didn't get one drop into the toilet.
Damn.
So it was all over the treadmill?
Yes. No, oh my god, I forgot the best part. So I'm like, okay, I can stop this. I wasn't able to stop it, so I was gonna jump back on the treadmill to grab my things and go to the bathroom. But I forgot that the treadmill was still on.
Oh.
So I jump on the treadmill and it's still on, and I just kind of like fall back.
Oh my
And then I'm like,
God.
okay, I can't do this, and I run to the bathroom without my stuff. Look at myself, disgusted. And I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? And I was wearing like a sports bra inside of my shirt, so I just take off my shirt and I like have it like awkwardly in front of my like feet. And I'm like, okay,
That's peak.
I'm just gonna act like I'm very sweaty.
Oh my god.
So I walk out and there are like 3 guys there, and I'm like, oh, whew.
I did a good work on the day, guys.
Okay, I think I'm done for the day. Okay, and I just go
La.
and I go straight to grab like a towel, and I like embarrassingly like try to clean as much as I can without it looking like I did something horrible.
Wow.
So yeah, and then I just left.
That
This
sure
was a,
was
yeah,
a good
this is a
story.
good story.
Yes.
I'm very thankful that you told this story.
Yes, because like it's just funny.
It's funny.
It's literally funny.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's funny.
and it happened somewhere in like these 5 years.
Yeah, it might be like when I was 13. It might be yesterday.
Might
I
You
be
don't
never
know.
know.
You have to
It's-
guess.
yeah.
Take guess in comments.
Take guess in comments.
But
Thank you.
yeah, that's about it. Yeah, wow. Okay, that's
That-
truly
that-
interesting.
Yes.
But if we go back on topic
Yes,
now,
let's go back on topic.
Oh, okay.
but that was a good side story
Yes,
actually.
no problem.
Yeah. But like, okay, then we won the Söngvakeppni in Iceland together.
Yes.
How was that for you? That
When we won Söngvakeppnin.
yeah, what did you feel?
Oh,
Do you
I
feel happy or sad?
very happy.
Were you not like sad
I
that
was
you're
so
going
sad.
to Eurovision with these
I
silly
thought,
guys?
oh no, I need to go with these guys. I hate these guys. No, that's not what I thought. I thought, oh my god, this is not happening. I'm not going to Eurovision. And I was like, I don't know if I really believed it, because I knew some artists were not like sure about taking their dancers if they won.
Oh yes.
So
yeah.
I was like, I mean, they might just ditch us. I
Switch
don't
you
know.
out.
But then I was like, no, that's not them. They're never gonna do that. So I'm literally going to Eurovision.
Yeah.
And my friend was watching, and my best friend was watching, and I come to her and she's crying.
Damn.
And I'm like, oh, then I'm going to cry. And I don't know, it was just,
Emotional.
it was a beautiful mess.
Yes. Emotional roller coaster.
Yes.
That's so beautiful,
Yeah.
honestly.
And then we went to Eurovision, and it was very fun.
Oh, it was the best time.
Yeah, it was the best
And then
time
we did
ever.
crazy shenanigans. But then
What's something one really fun that happened in Basel?
What's one thing really fun that happened in Basel?
that
Just
just
whatever.
comes to your mind right now.
Okay.
Europa Park was also good.
Oh, I loved Europa Park, but I want to talk about my little fan boy.
Oh, that's
Yes.
right. Yes.
We went to
Ulla fan.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe he's watching. Hello.
I hope so.
So we went to the Turquoise
Turquoise carpet. Yeah, Turkish blue.
Yeah,
Ekki not Turkish.
No,
It's-
we always said Turkish.
It's turquoise. Yes, turquoise.
Turquoise.
We went to the turquoise carpet and the Turkish blue. Oh my
The
God.
Turkish blue.
We went to the Turkish blue carpet, and I remember just when we stepped out of were we in a bus or a car? I don't know.
I think
Yes.
we were in
Bus.
Like
bus.
when we were driving there.
Yeah, remember we took a very long train. We were like
Yeah,
walked
yeah.
out and went to train.
Yeah, it was, and I had like wave
Yeah,
people like,
way.
hey, I love you. Mwah,
It was very
mwah.
fun.
And then you were like reaching your hand out the window, saying hi to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, but we went when we came out of the bus, like on our way there. As soon as we step out, I feel like a hand on my shoulder is like, "Hey, can we take a picture with you?" And I was like, "Oh, you don't want the guys? No, picture with you." And I was like, "Oh, sure." And it was like this little boy. I don't know. He was like 12, I think. and he was so excited to take a picture with me.
Yeah.
Yes,
And he
as
didn't
he
even
should.
he didn't even look at you guys. He took a picture of me and then left.
Obviously.
And I was like, oh, I thought he maybe wanted a picture with everyone, but no, he liked me.
Obviously.
Uh-huh.
He was just
Makes
an Ulla
perfect
fan.
sense.
Yeah, he's just a Ulla
Was he
fan.
the original Ulla fan?
Yeah, and
He-
then he came again. He
He found the hotel.
he found the
And
hotel.
he printed out the picture, right?
Yes, he printed out the picture we took and had me sign it.
Yes, I remember it. I met that guy. It was a cool guy.
Yeah.
And I met him in front of the hotel, and he was like, "Do you know Ulla's coming?"
Oh
I was like, "Oh yes, he's almost coming. I can just call her. Yeah, Ulla, there's someone waiting for you outside. Come down." And she came down and met him. It was amazing.
Yeah, he didn't care for you guys.
No,
No.
he did not care for us.
Yes.
But because Ulla has so many fans. Ulla
Yeah.
is like
Yeah.
an international
You
celebrity.
truly are. You
Yeah.
truly are international.
Yeah. I'm taking kind of like a break from my fame to
Yeah.
be like backup for you now.
Oh, are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
I'll go back to it when we are done with Europe tour. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
nice. Yeah, but Ulla, you will be on Europe tour.
Yes, I
Yes.
will.
That's
Yeah.
gonna be fun.
Yes, I think so. I cannot wait.
It will be amazing. You have to do some cool tricks.
Tricks.
Yeah, some
Yes.
dancing
Dance
tricks.
tricks.
Yes, but yes.
But yes,
Yes.
but Ulla, you're still in school.
Yes. Yes, I
So
am.
think about it, chat. She's still just learning school.
Wait, how old are you again?
I am from like 13 to 18,
Yeah,
somewhere in
somewhere
the
in
5
between.
year. I don't
You
know.
have to find out.
No.
Comment
Guess
below.
in comment. Take
Yeah.
a guess in comment.
Guess how old I. There have actually been like guesses about my age in my comment section.
Oh, you have never revealed your age.
Not really, but I've told someone in the comments how old I am. But
Oh.
the other day, someone was like, "How old is Ulla?" I thought she was like 17 or something. And someone was like, "She's like 16 or 17. She's not 18. She's at least not 18."
At least, yeah,
And then
obviously.
someone else was
Everything
like,
else.
"Oh, I thought she was 18 because it's somewhere in a video." She was like, "No, I don't think so. She's not 18."
No,
and then
no.
I answered and was like, "So actually, I'm 18." And
Crushed their dreams.
yes, and I looked back at the comments, and the person that had been like, "Yeah, I think she's 18," was like, "Hey, look at her new video." And the person replied, "Yes, I just saw." And I was like, "Oh, sorry, I didn't know this
Yeah,
was an argument."
But you got so many fans also out of Eurovision.
Oh,
There were a
yes.
lot of Ulla edits and stuff.
Ulla is a hot celebrity right now.
What can I say?
How did you feel about that?
The edits?
Yes.
Oh, it was awesome.
You liked it?
Yes, but I am humble.
Yeah.
It is fine. It is okay. But it is awesome. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love it so much. And I still get like once a day, I get one edit.
Hey,
Very good.
And I'm happy.
that's good.
I
We're happy.
Just
That's
thank
good.
you for the edits.
That's the only thing that matters, that Ulla is happy.
Yes.
We
that's
want
all-
our Ulla to
me.
be happy.
But Ulla, how did you get started dancing?
Just yes.
In
Overall.
general.
Then I started like elementary school, like when I was
Whoa.
6.
6
Six
years
years
old.
old.
No, wait, I'm telling you a story.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, I need to do a sport. Everyone's doing a sport. So I tried soccer or football. I'm going to say football. Like
Yes.
the one you kick the ball.
Yeah,
Yeah. If
I
you-
know.
Yeah. It's like you kick a ball.
I heard about it.
And there's
yes.
like a
and goal.
A goal.
Yeah, goal, and you like score, and
And
then
2 teams.
yeah, and then it's like, oh, it's so cool.
Yeah,
I don't
okay.
know if
Makes
you've
sense.
seen it.
Yeah,
Okay,
I've seen it some.
I tried it for half a year.
Yes.
I did not like it.
Oh
No.
So-
You're not a soccer girl.
I'm not a soccer. No,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I don't know.
That's good.
Well-
All good.
Yeah,
Not everybody is the same.
not everybody is soccer girl.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Nay, are you not a soccer girl?
I am
Uh,
not soccer girl.
Oh,
No one here is soccer girl, I think.
Oh.
No,
Not
never
even
had-
camera guy.
Camera guy, not soccer girl.
No,
No.
I don't
Okay.
think so.
Is camera guy soccer girl?
Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay. Anyway, so I tell my mother that I don't like soccer, and she's like, "Okay, what about dancing?" And I'm like,
Mother, I don't like soccer.
Mom, I hate
Mom,
this.
get me out.
I hate football.
Get me out of this.
I don't like it. It's not fancy enough. No. And she's like,
It's
okay,
not fancy enough.
what about dancing, darling? And I'm like, yes, I
would love that.
I would love to go dancing.
Take me to dance class,
And I'm
mommy.
I'm 7 years old at this point, so
Yes.
yeah, of course I talk like this. I'm like,
Obviously.
Mommy, please take me to a dance class. I would love to dance with the pretty boys and the pretty girls in the show, in the winter show.
In the winter.
Please. please.
Oh,
No.
please, mommy.
I said something like that. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
And
you're always speaking like this.
yeah, it's my regular habit.
Yeah.
Yes,
It
yes,
just
makes sense.
comes out sometimes.
Classic Ulla.
Yeah, I don't know. So I started, and then from there I just started dancing when I was 7 years old.
But
So
when
you-
did you become like the best dancer?
When I was 14.
When you were
When you were
14.
Oh, yes.
What happened? Why did you become the best dancer?
Because
No.
she is best dancer in Iceland.
Yeah,
but
she
once
is.
she was not best dancer.
Once she was
When she
very
was
bad
7 years
dancer.
old.
Oh,
She was
once I
very
was
bad.
horrible dancer.
Damn.
Even when I was I don't know, maybe I was okay. But
You were probably better than us.
At
Definitely.
dancing.
Yeah,
Mhm.
you were always making fun of us.
Oh.
You were always saying that we were bad at dancing, Ulla.
I don't think I remember that. Vibe gang. I don't remember this. Okay. Well,
Everybody hate comment on this video now.
Oh.
No,
But yeah,
I mean-
yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
make fun of you in the comments now
Yes.
of your dancing.
No.
Oh.
But yeah.
Oh,
keep on going.
Why did you become best?
Okay, so I would not say I'm the best.
Yes, you are best.
Okay.
I would say so.
But I would say I got really good when I was
Best.
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 When I was 14.
14, yes.
And there were like two, because we do like, my dance school, we do like age classes. Like it's just like 9 to 11 and
Yes.
12 to 14 and then it's 15 plus.
Yes.
And I was 14 in the 12 to 14, of course.
Obviously.
And then I was told one time, okay, you maybe want to try 15 plus. And I'm 14. I'm like, you want me to try 15 plus? Okay.
You're silly.
You're silly, but okay. Oh, if you really want to. So I went to the 15 plus class.
Yes.
And that's where I think I got like, because then I started thinking about like, oh, dancing is not just moving. It's literally, you have to be like so sure of like attitude and emotion and like just when are you dancing sharp, when are you dancing smooth, when are you slow, when are you fast.
Damn. Take notes, Jack.
God damn.
Yes, please take notes.
You're
Dancing
learning from
is not
And vibe-
just moving.
And Vibe Guys, take notes.
Vibe guys.
please.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Vibe Guys.
I can still do that.
Okay.
Vibe guys.
And please take notes.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah,
sorry.
no, take
Because
notes.
you are horrible at dancing.
Yes, I know.
No,
I'm sorry.
I am
I'm sorry.
joking, though.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay. No, and that's what, yeah. And then when Baldwin started teaching me, I became like, then I was like ultimately like, okay, this is something I really want to do because Baldwin was so cool. So,
Think
and
about it.
yeah, if chat does not know, Baldwin is my dance teacher.
Think about
Whoa.
it. And now they work together.
Yeah, now we work and we do like gigs together now and
Now
stuff.
they're helping each other.
Yeah, I think it's really
So
cool.
you're like his protege.
I mean, yeah, and he also calls me that sometimes.
Damn.
He's like, oh, I'm so proud. You were so small one time.
One
and then
time you were small.
Yeah,
you were like
remember.
small baby, and now you're big baby, and I don't know what to do. And I'm like, yes.
Yeah, that's peak.
Sorry.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And so your whole life is just dancing, pretty much.
My whole life is a movie scene.
That's a reference from
From what again?
the song.
the English
Wait, what
version.
song? I don't.
English
My life
biomus.
is movie scene.
don't I
My
don't-
life is a
I
movie
have never
scene.
heard
No, it's
this.
okay. It's okay.
No,
Yeah.
no.
It's a deep cut.
Yeah, no, I guess my whole life is kind of dancing.
Yeah.
I would like to be a dancer in the future.
You think so? Wait, is this your only job? Doing
Dancing?
Yeah.
Right now, yes. I coach dancing.
You're a full-time dancer.
And then I just dance.
Think about it.
Yeah, and I just dance with artists and just like for myself and stuff.
You're dancing with us sometimes. You dance with other artists also.
Yes.
What other artists?
I dance with. I'm going to be dancing with artist in Iceland. Her name is Gugusar.
Okay.
Which is kind of cool.
That's very cool.
She's kind of cool. I don't know.
Yeah,
if you
she's
guys-
very cool. You check out spot.
Yeah, I'm going to be dancing with her in Iceland Airwaves, and I have danced with. I was before you guys adopted me.
Before
I
you.
was Sigga Ósk's dancer.
That's true.
Yes, and I
You were
still
with her-
am.
You were with her in the Söngvakeppnin?
Yeah, when I met you guys the first time,
Yeah.
I was with her because she took me in and was like, "Yeah, you can be my backup dancer." Because I had never gotten like a backup gig when I started getting good and I met Baldwin and stuff. I was like, why am I not getting any gigs? I think I'm getting really good at dancing. And then me and my friend, we submitted like a video of us both for a music video of hers, and we took it very seriously.
Yes. As you should.
She was
Obviously.
very casual about it. I think
Yeah.
she like took in everyone that sent a like audition.
Interesting.
But we were like, okay, we need to send like a specific video of us two dancing. So she's like, oh, I need her, but if I'm gonna get her, I really need to get her friend because they're both good and they're good together.
Smart thinking.
Yeah, and from there she was like, oh, you guys are so good. Why don't you just dance with us? And dance with me. And I was like, really? So I've just been dancing with her since then. And
That's so cool.
then
Damn.
you guys kind of came in, and now
And
I'm
stole you.
and now
Yeah.
I'm kind of vibe dancer.
How Vibe stole Christmas.
Do people on the street say, hey, vibe dancer?
Yo, yes.
Yeah.
No, yes. People are like, oh, you're Ulla and Vibe. And I was like,
yeah.
I'm not in Vibe.
Yeah,
but
how does it feel? Like people saying that you're in Vibe.
You're like, no,
No, I'm just dancer. I'm separate. I'm not in the
What do you
Vibe.
think? I'm just Temu Vibe. I'm literally just ordered from Temu. No, what do I feel? I mean, I think it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun. It's like an identity. But it really...
It's an identity.
It's my
it's
identity.
my new identity.
No, but it's like, because I've always been like someone. I've always been like, oh, you're this guy's daughter. And I was like, yeah, I'm this guy's daughter.
Her dad is famous in Iceland.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
dad is kind of like a little famous. I don't know if you've heard of him. Thomas.
You maybe not heard of him, but you've definitely heard of his burgers.
Yes, very good burgers. Yes.
Best in the biz.
Yes, I would say so. And so I was that, and then I became like, I was TikTok girl for a second. Like people would come up to me and be like, oh, you're the girl on TikTok. And I was like, what do you mean girl on TikTok? It's a very broad statement.
Just a girl, you know?
Yeah.
There's only
You're
one
the-
girl on
you're
TikTok.
the girl.
Yeah.
There's one girl on TikTok and you are that girl.
Yeah, like if a girl comes up to me and is like, you're the girl on TikTok. And I'm like, yes, also you are a girl on TikTok, aren't you? No, that's not what I say. But yeah, that was me for a second. And then when I became your dancer, now
Yeah.
I'm Ulla and Vibe.
Yes.
Which is cool.
Yeah.
Now I at least have a name.
Yeah, people know your name.
I'm not, oh, you're Thomas' daughter,
It
or
would be
oh,
worse.
you're TikTok girl.
Yeah, it would be worse if they just said, oh, you're dancer Vibe.
Yes.
But
Yes.
instead you're Ulla.
Yes.
Ulla from
I
Vibe.
am Ulla and Vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which is
you're
cool.
Ulla Vibe.
Or Ulla and Dullen.
Ullen
and Dullen.
Yeah, Ulla and
A
Dullen.
lot of people think your name is Ullen.
Yes.
Ullen!
That's actually not my name.
No.
And Ulla is actually not my name.
No, that's true.
Yeah.
Her name is... I'm not gonna tell it. It's
yeah,
secret.
it's a secret.
You have to dig it up.
I think I have posted a TikTok of it, but you need to find it.
It's Malmfríður.
Yes. Malmfríður. And Ármúla.
Ármúladóttir.
That's my name.
Ármúladóttir.
Nei, yes. Ármúladóttir.
Malmfríður Almúradóttir.
Ármúladóttir.
Ármúla.
That's
Yes.
her real name.
Yes, yeah, that's her legit name.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fun.
No, I like being Vibe dancer.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
that's good.
Yeah.
It would be bad if you would not like it.
Yeah. I don't think
Otherwise
I
you
would
be
be
fired.
here. Yeah. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, you would not be in the podcast.
No, if you would hate it, you would not be in podcast.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Oh,
yeah, that's good.
Yeah, totally. I
Yeah,
love it.
that's good.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good.
Yes. Yeah, very
Yes,
good.
good.
Would you like some tea, sir?
Mommy, can you put me in dancing? I want to dance with the pretty boys and the pretty girls, please.
Our camera guy is telling us that it's enough.
Okay,
Oh,
wow.
have we been here for so long?
Yeah, we've been here for 4 hours.
Oh, it felt like 2 minutes.
That's
Oh, no.
what I said.
It's 4
Yeah.
hours.
You didn't say that.
No. But yes, I think that's it for today's episode.
Yes, of special guest Ulla
Ulla or Malmfríður Ármúladóttir.
My
what?
real name.
or Vibe Girl Dancer
Yeah.
Yes.
or Middle Girl in Vibe.
Yeah.
When I see reaction videos of our video, so many people
Yes.
always comment on the girl in the middle.
They're like, oh, this girl has attitude.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
like
yeah.
her.
What can I say? Don't know.
But yes, thank you so much for listening to this episode of the Vibe Podcast.
Ulla, you want to plug anything at the end? Anything you want to mention?
Follow my Instagram.
Mhm.
It's something like UTMASTTTIR.
Yes.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
Remember, Vibe Podcast is on YouTube and Spotify in video and probably Apple
Likes and
Podcast.
subscribe. We're trying to reach 100,000 subscribers.
Yes.
We got 100,000 on Instagram and on TikTok, but not on the
Not
YouTube.
on
You know, we just need it on YouTube.
What about like Twitch? Aren't you on Twitch? Or
I think
something?
I got like
12.
6,000 or something.
Not
12
100,000.
subscribers.
Not 100.
12
subscribers.
Yeah, something like that.
Thank you so much for listening to this podcast episode.
Yes.
Do you want to say goodbye to the people?
Goodbye. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. Okay, bye.
Bye.